I know many of you are facing this issue right now. Grok has completely stopped offering free video generation, and you're probably seeing the same message again and again. But don't panic, Wesley is here. And as I always say, everything happens for a reason. Honestly, this happened for a reason. Grok stopped, but now we have an even better option, Google Flow. The best part? You can use it legally for free and even unlock premium features. So please take this video seriously. This is a call to action. Act fast because just like Grok, Google can also change its policies anytime, and this method might not last forever. Platform 1. Google Flow. First, go to the Google Flow website and log in with your account. Once inside, you'll notice that you get 150 AI credits daily. But we're going to take it a step further and make it feel unlimited. Click on the Upgrade option. You'll see the Google AI Pro plan, the middle plan, which shows $0 per month. Now, click on Get Google AI Pro. A window will appear confirming that your free trial has started, and you won't be charged if you cancel before April 19th. That means you can use all the premium features completely free for 1 month. This is the most legal and risk-free way to access premium features. Important things to know. Each Google account can use this free trial only once. You may need to add a payment method, but don't worry, it's still $0. Google will notify you before charging. Still, to be safe, set a reminder in your calendar a few days before the renewal date. How to cancel. To cancel the subscription, go to the Google Play Store. Tap your profile, go to Payments and Subscriptions, open Subscriptions, find Google AI Pro, cancel before the billing date. That's it. You've used premium features without paying anything. Alternative platform, LM Arena. Now, if you don't want to deal with subscriptions or are worried you might forget to cancel, there's another option, LM Arena. This platform offers free generations, multiple models like GPT, Gemini, Claude, and Grok. No card required. Just log in with your Gmail and start using it. Earlier, LM Arena focused mainly on image generation, but now it also supports video generation. However, in battle mode, you won't be able to manually choose models side by side. The system automatically assigns models based on availability. You can also upload your own images and generate videos from them, which is a great feature. Final recommendation. For now, I highly recommend using Google Flow as your primary tool because it's faster, performance is better, and it's backed by Google. And if it ever stops working in the future, you can switch to LM Arena as a solid alternative. We'll also be covering frame-to-video and image-to-video tutorials, so don't worry, you're fully covered. We've tested other platforms too, but right now this is the best combination of speed, quality, and reliability. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think about this update? Yes, Grok stopped, but honestly, it turned out to be a good thing. Now we move forward with Google Flow and explore even better possibilities. You've got your daily credits, your pro trial, you're all set. That's all for today. See you in the next video.